questionnaires. I can tell you, I have the questionnaire the jurors answered, but it's all blank, okay? Trust me on that, okay? Because we don't get the actual questionnaires after the trial is over and the judge releases the questionnaires of the jurors that are usually on. At least that's normal practice. But maybe there's something the defense saw in there and rated him high, and they were excited when he worked his way onto the jury by giving answers that seemed to be, I'm going to be objective.
You know, Linda, I think that's the conclusion that we have to come to at this point in time. You know, taking his testimony and the totality of the circumstances, it was relatively balanced. You know, if I recall, you know, it started out in the context of discussing his cousin, who was a police officer, and of course the conflicts he had. And to DeWitt's point, somebody that really wants to be involved with this is probably a prosecutorial advantage. However, you know, he really did go on to speak about his experiences in college with certain civil rights classes that he had that enlightened him, and talked about his background growing up in mid-Minnesota and how, you know, that experience was that, but that's changed. And really, I thought he spoke really eloquently about to some people, the offensive dichotomy of the blue lives versus Black Lives Matter. And I think the way he described it, and I could be wrong on this, but I think the way he described it was that it isn't so much that he doesn't support the police officers, but that he thought the labeling of Blue Lives Matter was really an antagonistic label as opposed to a productive support of police officers.
Well,
so,
Jamie, you know what? You have given me my in to our producer, Hosey, who has put in a clip about that particular point. So I want you to hold that thought and let's listen to this clip and let's come back to it.